Iborok bapak kini ke video the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Ribohoi District nongpo kod application kambiang namta kanika advertisement kabalapan mi hau haka lapetrik Julai aja pesau bat haka apnetrik Oktober aja pesau te kod application kambiang namta kanika post kaba apply aus nam aja pesau te kitu kiba dep apply kanika post haus nam aja pesau te kim nang kaman apply shu te kitu ki mempat dep apply kanika post te sa apply no menta kalau alat biang ban apply kini kam te kelas di jong kani kan dai ha kasan tarik November aja pesan pada kapor san baji janmiet te kini ki post ki bal ahni room te ka post ka kong kadai ka LDA kajing siu kadai ka level 5 number of post kadang kalai tali ki post on reserve ka way kasi jantia kat a te kalong kalai prim pendap ya ka class 10 pass with computer knowledge and typing speed of live 30 WPM te pidum don ya ka computer knowledge but haka typing speed kadai bapin don live WPM te kapus ka ba kadai ka gram seva kajing se kadai level 5 number of post don ka way kasi jantia pendap ya ka class 10 pass but ka class 12 pass kiam I preference ya kiba will be given to candidate passing out of Gram Sevak bela pass Gram Sevak Gram Civikas training at UGST or Shillong capsule training at SRD Meghalaya or having diploma in rural development from recognized institute te ki badan yakani tekin I preference ba te kapos ka balai ka ka weaving demonstrator kajing sio ka level 5 te kapos tentang artillery kasi jantia tim dan yaka Arsnem yang certificate jangka course training in handloom technology from handloom training institute Mendipathar. Teka post ke besar ke deka fishery demonstrator kajing sio ke level 4. Teka post tang kawai ke don ke jentia. Rimen pendap ya ke class 12 pass haka science stream. Teka post ke besar ke deka tracer level kajing sio ke level 4 ke post mau post ke don artillery ke jentia. Rimen pendap ya class 10 pass. Nani ke bakam hajrong. Any degree or above or equivalent exemption from organized board or education. Take a post bendrew ke forest guard, kajing sio ke level 2, number post dan nakaway, pendap ya ka custom pass and above or equivalent exemption from organized board or education. The candidate must possess the minimum physical standard fitness, pibendon ya ka physical standard fitness. Bala ahni kahai jong kisenrang kadibandon chispa and riu pulai centimeters te kaha ke jong female kentai chispa sanpau centimeters te ka chest jong senrang kadibandon nyopu kandai centimeters plus bat 0.5 unexpanded kentai dibandon nyopu saw plus 0.5 unexpanded for STSC entaki STSC kisenrang kadibandon chispa sanpuas centimeter Kentai given chispa saupusan centimeter. Candidate must be qualified for physical test consisting of a walk of 25 km for male candidate and 16 kilometers for female candidate to be completed in 4 hours. There, candidate must be qualified. Candidate must be qualified for physical test. Borok kino apply. Ban qualify ka physical test kan sadon kajing more ka ban long absan ban more ado absan kilometer nam ta kishan rang nam ta kentai kan 2 kilometer ban hap kam pendap ya kani po ka sau kenta ka post ka banyo ka dai driver kajing si ka dai level 3 te kadon ka post tang artillery kawai on reserve kawai kasi jantia tapi pendap ya ka kas it pass with valid driving license tidak don ya ka driving license ke badang im te gujali ke post pra ka gujali ke jingsi di level 1 post dan ka way prim pass ka class 8 pass te ke post bakandai ka dika change man ke level jingsi di level 1 prim pass ya ka class 8 pass te ka post ke ba spau ka grade 4 jingsi di level 1 kadang kasantali ki post te kapo kasantali post on reserve santali te kasi jantia spotali te kalong khatstan te bidim dap ya ka kas sek pass Te ongane grade 3 post specify above will have to appear for the written test examination in the following subject when called for. Te namta kani ka grade 3 post te piaban appear ya ka written examination ya ka exam. Te kini kini subject paper 1 kadai kandon ka general English, paper 2 kandon ka elementary mathematics, elementary science, aptitude, objective general knowledge. Then way B, grade 4 post specify above will have to appear for the written examination in the following subject when called. Te jonga grade 4 post te pihaban appear ya ka written examination bagi subject jong kini kilong paper 1 kadai tang ka don ka general knowledge. The age limit, age will be calculated with reference to Historic Brambashi, Ajapsan, and should have attained the age of Dimdon Yakas Nam Kaba, Kapra Hadu like for Arsenam, upper age limit. Kasudang relaxation, Kaba Sansnam Taki SCST. There, sa apply no, I can come.